Hi Scorpio! Welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for June 18 to June the 20th. So Scorpio, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, and comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. At kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin or sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yun sa kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. Now, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. And Scorpio, gusto ko lang pong sabihin sa inyo na this is a general reading. So you may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. So take what's only yours. Simulan na natin, Scorpio. I feel like meron taong taing-tae, no? Na gustong makipagbati sa iyo. Meron 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 tao na gustong, humingi ng patawad at sabihin natin atat na atat, makita ka. I feel like this person is namimiss ka, no? Ikaw ang kanyang source of happiness. Sabihin natin meron siyang mga nagawa na hindi mo ikinatuwa. And it felt like this person is needing to, sabihin natin, may sense of urgency. Kasi parang feeling niya, kung hindi pa ngayon, kailan? Or baka kapag pinatagal niya pa yung paghingi ng sorry, baka mas lalong hindi mo pa siya mapatawad or mag-move on ka na. So I'm seeing separations in this, whether it is distance or ito yung physical separation or energetic separations, no? Ito yung tinatawag natin hindi nagkakaintindihan, hindi nag-uusap, no? With the Nine of Cups, the Four of Cups, and the Six of Pentacles. Well, I feel like hindi ka pa ganun ka-ready, no? Ang wish niya lang is sana pakinggan mo siya. Now, with the Six of Pentacles, sana man lang hindi niya kailangan ng response from you. Sana lang is mapakinggan mo kung ano yung gusto niya sabihin, no? Pero siya mga gustong i-clarify. But I think when it comes to you with the Four of Cups, medyo sarado pa, no? Ayoko naman sabihin nire-reject. Well, ganun na rin. Nire-reject mo nga yung kanyang sasabihin. Pero I think yung ikaw nasa heightened emotion ka pa, no? Medyo mataas pa yung emotion mo. Ikaw naman medyo nandoon ka sa pinaka siya naman is yung nagpapakumbaba na, no? So magkaiba talaga. So yung isa is medyo galit, yung isa pasuyo. With the Seven of Pentacles and the Ace of Cups. Well, I think ang inaantay lang ito na person mo, no, is talagang bumaba na rin yung galit mo sa kanya. Willing to wait naman. Kumbaga sa linya, willing to wait si person na buksan mo yung pinto para sa kanya uli, no? Para makapag-explain siya mabuti with the Ace of Cups in here is na parang sabihin niya na ikaw pa rin talaga yung mahal niya. Let's clarify the Four of Cups with the Knight of Swords and the Queen of Pentacles. Ang nakikita ko dito is more of yung pace. Alam niya na parang meron yata siyang either nakalimutan, it's either nakalimutan monthsary, anniversary, what have you. And it kind of like a big thing for you, no? Napaka-importante, either that is an event or a specific, bagay. And I feel like either kinatalo mo or it's sort of like yung araw na yon kung kailan mo siya hiningi at kung yun talaga yung kailangan, hindi na ibigay, hindi nagawa, no? With the Wheel of Fortune, the Ace of Swords, and the Eight of Wands. So I feel like there's also something, for a few numbers of you, I'm seeing a bit of an issue when it comes to monetary, with the Ace of Swords and the Eight of Wands. If there is something in here na probably you're asking for either a child support or let's say, I need this for, I need some help, and then probably your person promised that, and hindi naman niya natupad. I feel like gumagawa ito ng paraan, no? Because it felt like kailangan niyang gawin kasi umasa ka. With the Five of Cups, the King of Wands. Oh wow, with the Five of Cups. I feel like there is a regret. Paano ko ba 'to sasabihin? Kasi, kumbaga, meron din somewhat intentional, no? Either nasa akin naman talaga yon or hawak ko na, hindi ko lang siya binigay. Tapos, nung medyo nagkaroon na nagalit ka na, ito yung part na, sige na nga, hindi, ayoko na, no? So, hindi ko alam, meron talaga mga taong gano'n na meron din, hindi ko alam kung anong tawag dun sa ganong ugali, no? Nasa akin naman, pero hindi ko talaga din ibibigay. Tas pag nagalit, dun ako matataranta. It's hard to explain what that kind of ugali. The High Priestess, the Eight of Swords. So alam mo na kaya niyang gawin, alam mo na maibibigay niya yung time na yon. Alam niya, alam mo na posible, no? Yung oras, yung araw na yon kaya niyang ibigay, pero hindi niya ginawa. Yun yung kinaiinis mo. With the Eight of Swords in here, I think you're not ready yet para makipag-usap sa kanya, but then again, willing to wait nga si person. No? So this is your reading, Scorpio. Let's check, no, yung zodiac sign ng person mo. Now, this could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I am seeing Sagittarius, Leo, Pisces, Virgo, no? Cancer, Scorpio, pwede ka pa Scorpio ito, no? Capricorn. Yan, so this is your reading. Again, Scorpio, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. At kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live session, sa kabilang channel po yun, Babaylan TV. No? Kung gusto niyo pong magtanong sa comment section, as long as the question is answerable by yes or no, by all means, do it. Kung feeling niyo po hindi kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot lang, there is a link in the description box. Either you have to copy the link or click the link. You're gonna be routed to my page or website. No, nandun po yung information and even the payments instructions. No, the QR codes nandun din po yun. So take advantage of the promotion of 4 questions plus 1. And if you want to also avail our private reading, nasa description box din po yun. So this is your reading, Scorpio. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye. You want the best of my heart, you just gotta see